Hello folks, Jason Clinkenbeard here with Rivers West Auction Equipment. We're in Missoula, Montana today. We've got an ALLIS-CHALMERS IB. It's a 1954 year model, all been restored, parade ready, runs beautifully. I'll walk around and show you here. It's just a beautiful little piece of Americana here. Everything's correct on it. Tires are all new. It's been in a few shows and parades, but it's ready to go be seen by the rest of the world. The pintle hitch and the PTO shaft and the pulley, foot throttle. It's a great little resto here. Sitting in Missoula, Montana. It's got the little 4-cylinder gas engine. Somewhere in that neighborhood of 20 horsepower is what I'm seeing on the data. Take a look at that, folks.